Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a follow-up video to the collaborative videos that I did with other folks on YouTube that got hundreds and hundreds of comments, and I appreciate every single comment. But I wanted to make this video because I can't overemphasize the importance of reaching out and booking a consultation with a local family law attorney in your jurisdiction to understand your rights and responsibilities before you get married, before you get engaged. Understand what the prenup laws are in your jurisdiction. There's really only two ways to know all the laws. One is booking a consultation, even just an hour or so time with a local family law attorney in your jurisdiction. It's well worth speaking to him or her about your specific situation, because every situation's different. The other way is to rely on this. It's a magic 8-ball. You just shake it up, ask it a question, and then read the answer. So you don't want the magic 8-ball because you're not going to get the right answers. So if you're seriously thinking about getting married, or if you are married and you are considering divorce, you need to get advice from a competent local attorney in your jurisdiction. They'll know the law, they'll know the courts, they'll be able to strategize with you in terms of the best course of action. One course of action might just be getting counseling. Other times marriages are dead and counseling is a moot point. But get local information. That's really the best way to go. If you like this video, feel free to leave a comment, subscribe, a like. If you want to see future topics, leave them in the comments below. And forget about the magic 8-ball. That's not a good strategy. Have a great day.